Hello friends, in this video I intend to teach you how to deposit TRC20 Tether in the TradersWay broker. At the top section, click on Deposit. And in the Deposit section, select USDT Tether via TRON. And in this section, select the desired account. Enter the desired amount with a minimum deposit of $30. In this section, if you wish to receive a bonus, select the desired bonus by clicking on it. And finally, click on Submit. In the next step, add the specified address to your wallet and continue these steps in the wallet. And dear friends, to check your detailed transaction history, click on History. And as you can see, this deposit is pending. This amount was deposited into our account in less than 5 minutes. Good luck.